What is the estimated cost to convert a gas fireplace to wood burning?
Hello and welcome to today's discussion. If you're thinking about converting your gas fireplace to a wood-burning one, then you've landed at the right spot. Today, we're going to talk about the estimated costs that you might need to consider for such a project. Please remember, these are estimates and your actual costs may vary depending on your location, the specifics of your fireplace, and the professionals you hire.
What are the basic costs involved?
The cost of converting a gas fireplace to a wood-burning one can vary greatly, generally ranging from $2,000 to $5,000. Here are some of the main costs you might encounter. Chimney inspection and cleaning. Before you make any changes, it's crucial to ensure your chimney is safe and clean. This usually costs between $100 to $200. Gas line cap-off. You need to have a professional cap off or remove the gas line, which can cost between $150 and $300. Fireplace insert. Depending on the type and style you choose, a new wood-burning fireplace insert could cost you anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500. Installation costs. This would involve the cost of professional labor. Depending on the complexity of the job and your location, installation can range from $600 to $1,000.
What are the potential additional costs?
Sometimes, extra costs may pop up that are not part of the basic conversion process. These may include chimney repair or upgrade. If your chimney is not in good condition or not suitable for wood burning, you may need to repair or upgrade it. This can cost anywhere between $500 and $2,000 depending on the scale of the job. Permit and inspection fees. Depending on your local regulations, you may need to pay for a permit and inspection, which could add $200 to $500 to your overall budget.
Are there any ongoing costs to consider?
Yes, once the conversion is complete, the cost of firewood should be considered. Firewood costs can range from $100 to $300 per cord, depending on your location and the type of wood. You also need to factor in regular chimney cleaning and maintenance to ensure safe operation of your fireplace. In conclusion, while the process of converting a gas fireplace to wood burning can be somewhat costly up front, many people find the ambiance and comfort of a real wood fire to be worth the investment. Always consult with professionals to get an accurate quote and to ensure the conversion is done safely and correctly. We hope this video has been helpful in providing an estimate of the costs involved in this conversion. Stay warm and safe.